All set to make our tacos. That's simple. How many ingredients do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the tortillas, 8, and the lobster. 9 ingredients to do 2 different dishes. And what I'm going to be doing is cooking this lobster 2 different ways. The first way is a real quick saute. The second way, we're going to cook it whole and just sear it off on both sides. It's going to be beautiful. So I got my whole lobster here. Seasoning up a little salt, a little pepper right here. And I'm just going to take this and throw this on the grill right like that. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? For the sauteed lobster, I went ahead and diced up my lobster meat. I'm going to add a little more oil right here. And this is going to be a very quick saute. I'm going to go ahead and take my lobster meat, throw it on here right like this, and I'm just going to cook this just till it's done. Once it's done, I'm going to stop cooking it immediately. The reason why is because it'll get tough. So just by cooking it just till it's done, it's still going to be nice and tender. Hit this with a little salt, a little white pepper. I'm going to take a few tortillas, and I'm going to go ahead and throw my tortillas on here right like this. Just wherever I can find room on the grill, just like that. Now, for the 2 different types of black beans, one's going to be served cold, the other one's going to be served hot. I got a hot pan right here. I'm just going to go ahead and take my black beans and add them into the hot saute pan right like this. So these are going to be the hot black beans for the whole lobster. Then we got the cold black bean salad that we're going to serve with the Puerto Nuevo style lobster. Add a little more oil to these. And if I want, I can go ahead and take a spoon and mash some of these up a little bit. This will make it more like, almost like refried black beans, look a little bit like refried black beans. Smash them up just a little bit like that. I don't want to do it too much. I still want to have some nice whole black beans in there. I'm going to go ahead and flip my tortillas over. And all I'm trying to do is just warm the tortillas here a little bit. I'm not trying to cook them any more than they're already cooked, maybe just a hair more, but pretty much that's it. My lobsters are going to start looking nice and beautifully caramelized on the inside. You see how beautiful that is? That is exactly what we're looking for right there. I'm going to flip this over, do the same thing with the other one, and we're just going to let those finish off just like that. Now, once my tortillas are warmed up and they're done, what I can do is just take them off the heat, and I'm going to put them on a plate just like this. And then I'm going to go over and cover them with a napkin. The napkin's going to keep them nice and warm. Looks like my lobster for my lobster tacos is pretty much done, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off and put it off to the side. All right, now it's time to put my plate together. It's that simple. So I got my plate right here. I'm going to take a couple of these tortillas, and I'm going to put them on the plate just like this. Take a little of the shredded Savoy cabbage, drop it in there. A little of my pico de gallo. I'm going to add a little more salt because the Savoy cabbage is a little bitter. So right here we're checking on the lobster just to make sure it's finished off right. See how it's getting nice and orange right there? Still got a couple more minutes. We're going to let it go just like this for a couple more minutes. Now, take a little bit of my lobster. Put a couple pieces of lobster on each one. Take a little sour cream. A little sour cream right there. After I do that, I'm going to go and take my lobster taco and I'm going to fold it just like that so it makes a cute little pocket right like that. And that right there is a San Diego style lobster taco. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my black beans. I'm going to take my black beans and just put them right in the center of the plate, just like so. I'm going to take an avocado and I'm going to go ahead and put it on the plate just like this. Take a little extra sour cream, just to add a little color to my plate. A couple of lime slices, just like so. And right here we have our beautiful lobster tacos, little black bean salad, avocado on the side, and some sour cream. Now the nice thing is, if you're out catching lobsters and you don't get that many, well, you can actually feed a lot of people with a diced lobster like this. Really great way to do it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and top off the lobster tacos here with a little cheese. And there you have it, lobster tacos, black bean salad, avocados, little cheese with a cilantro sour cream. It's beautiful. Wait till you try it. It's fantastic. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and take my lobsters off. These look beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take them and put them on my plate. Take my black beans. I'm going to go ahead and put my black beans right in there like that. Take a couple of these tortillas. Finish off with a little cheese right here. Take a little cilantro. And this is authentic Puerto Nuevo style lobster with black beans, cheese, tortillas, little cilantro garnish. It's beautiful. I remember the first time I tried these, my first time going to Puerto Nuevo, I got to tell you, it changed my life forever. I love lobster cooked this way. And over here, beautiful lobster tacos, pico de gallo, nice black bean salad, cilantro sour cream. Both of these dishes, 10 ingredients, take 15 to 20 minutes to make at the end of the day or after a long day scuba diving. Now, if you're interested in any of these recipes or you want to find out what's really happening with food, go to www.kaifoodshow.com. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
This episode of Kai Food Show is brought to you in partnership with Red Kite Business Advisors, consultants specializing in marketing to women. Information can be found on the website at redkitesite.com. Kai Food is brought to you in partnership with Healthy Inspirations, a woman's weight loss and wellness center featuring personal coaching, nutrition, exercise, relaxation, and therapeutic spa services. Information can be found on the website at www.highforlife.com.